Good morning, class 8. Today our topic is urbanization. What is urbanization? Urbanization means human settlements all over the world, which is broadly divided into two groups: rural settlement and urban settlement. Means people, those who have started living in towns. Rural settlements include village, while the urban settlements include towns and city settlements. Urban settlements are distinguished from the rural settlements on the basis of the total population and the function of their settlement. The size of urban settlement is not always fixed and it varies greatly from country to country, state to state. Urbanization, the change from the predominantly rural to predominantly urban population is known as urbanization. In this process, there is an increase in the number of people living in the urban settlement and increase in the percentage of population engaged in non-agricultural occupation. The growth and development of towns and cities are broadly called urbanization. It occurs mostly when people from villages migrate to towns and cities for different reasons, like finding good jobs, good opportunities, having wanted to live a good life, for education, etc. The main characteristics of urbanization are fast growth of population and cities of cities, which are and uncontrolled growth in the building up of area of cities. That means new areas are building up. The rate of urbanization is more in the developing countries than in the developed countries. It is estimated that around 2050, about 65% of the total population of the world will be living in urban areas. What are the causes of urbanization? As I told you, the process of urbanization began when human beings started living in permanent settlements. In the period of time, these settlements grew into center of trade, commerce, industries, and these centers are also connected with different means of transport, which are easy for them to come to go to places and do the other jobs. Today, urbanization is taking place almost in every country of the world. Causes of urbanization: development of industries. The Industrial Revolution, which have started in Europe in the 18th century in England, saw the growth of urbanization, because during that time also many people from the countryside came to the towns and started living in the towns for better life, for better job, for better way of living or settlement only. The growth and development of industries are mostly in the urban areas. They provide opportunities for employment, higher wages. Thus, people from rural areas are migrating towards the industrial centers. Therefore, industrialization is one of the most important factor of urbanization. Better employment opportunities. The growth of employment in the industries areas, in towns and cities, have given many offers. People from the rural areas migrate to urban areas to work as labor, masons, carpenters, because those people are required in towns. Merchant, drivers, vendors, nurses, teachers, policemen. Many people also open shops to sell articles in daily uses. Next is better living condition. The urban areas over a period of time have developed, but with better living condition than that is available in the rural areas. Pakka houses, all weather roads, railway connectivity, airport have made life comfortable in urban areas. These facilities help to attract the people from rural areas to come and settle down in the urban areas. Apart from them, in towns, public utility things are easily available, such as school, college, engineering, medical institutes, hospitals, water supply, electricity, road, local transport, waste disposal is very good, trade and commerce can be carried out properly. All these facilities are the reasons in the increasing urban and outward spread of towns. Natural growth of population as the birth rate and the difference between the birth rate and death rate have came into a great extent after the inventions of scientific medicines, vaccinations. So, natural growth of population is occurring in urban areas due to better and readily available medical facilities. The death rate is going down. Thus, the natural growth of population occurs. Thus, there is always an outward expansion of the towns and cities. Mostly, mostly religious and historical monuments also is reason of increasing income. People from other places in the same country or from other countries of the world visit religious centers as pilgrims and as tourists to historical monuments and to health resorts. The towns and cities grow to provide various facilities to these tourists, and that's why this urbanization is occurring. Developing countries, urbanization growing about 3 times than the growth of the natural rural areas. Many villages which are close to big cities have emerged. In those cities are now referred as the urbanized village. The number of big cities or the metropolitan cities is continuously growing in the whole world. Okay.